going to conferences like this is invaluable for keeping fresh, engaging with new ideas, thinking about new principles, and just connecting with a really broad base of people.
This event is the one time where it all comes together. They come here to have their conversations with us. It's just really great to have everybody in one place. They know we're going to be here every year. We know they're going to be here every year.
It's been amazing. I attended a few educational sessions that were awesome. You get a chance to get a wider view of commissioning, not just what you do or what you know.
Definitely want to make it to CxEnergy Las Vegas 2027. I will be keeping the calendar clear.